In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer, stopwatch, or timestamp to your video, whether you're looking to track time for a workout session or just want to add a professional touch to your content. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve that with ease. To start, you'll want to navigate to clipchamp.com using your preferred web browser. If you're already familiar with the platform, feel free to directly sign in. For those of you new to this, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll see an option to continue with Microsoft. Clicking this option makes the process seamless and quick. If prompted, just select your Microsoft account from the list or enter your account details to log in securely. Upon successful login, welcome to your Clipchamp homepage. Here's where the magic happens. Look for and click on the button that says create a new video. This will take you straight into the video editor where you can start working on your project. Now, it's time to bring in your media files. Click on the import media option to upload the video you're intending to edit. Once your video file is uploaded, you can simply drag it and drop it onto the timeline. The timeline is where you'll piece together all your components and edit them to create your final masterpiece. Next up, let's add the timer. Head over to the text section located on the left-hand menu. Here you'll find various text options. Scroll down through the list and find the timer option. Selecting this will allow you to integrate a countdown or stopwatch onto your video. With the timer option selected, simply drag it onto your timeline directly above your video layer for easy access. Click on the timer element you just added to your timeline. This will enable further customization. Again, head to the text menu on the left side for additional options. In this text menu, you can make any necessary edits to personalize your timer. Adjust the font, size and color according to your video's theme to ensure it stands out and is clear for viewers. Feel free to play around with the settings until it fits just right. Making these adjustments will help you convey the intended message clearly and effectively within your video. Once you're satisfied with your edits, preview the video to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you go, you've successfully added a timer, stopwatch or timestamp to your video, taking it a notch higher in professionalism and functionality. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and settings. Thanks for watching and keep creating.